Today is Wednesday, March 17th, 2021. Recently, or about 2 weeks ago, I picked up a vacuum cleaner, actually on a street corner, just sitting there waiting for me to take it. That's over there. And so it says Progressive. Powerful monster. The front in some separate mode, or electrical component, electronics, etc. Like the old Electrolux. This is my little upright, the Hoover wind tunnel. Recently got a brand new cover. Yeah. The critters going on for some reason, I don't know. Probably broke it, whatever. Anyway, so when I bought the Progressive home, sat around, I should use parts of it, because it's you have to replace the paper bag, and the brush needed electronic work, so, I'm not into this. So I'll attach it. Oh, it's a simple thing, right? Alright. This hose, when the vacuum is in its current position, when I assembled the hose the other day, 2 days ago, the hose being stretched along with the telescopic front brush tube, I'll show you that in a few minutes, reached from that point to the end of the apartment by the stove, and in the opposite direction over through the changing area and to the furthest corner of the apartment, which would be the bathroom corner where the sink is. Today, no such deal. The brush handle and telescopic tubing. Let me get that in 1 second. Today, the 2 attached tubes to create that one long one that hit the end of the apartment got shorter, felt shorter. So to stop this from the bud now, I'm not here to, get retribution. Each square is 12 inches and inches a foot. We have 1, 2, 3 is a yellow, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5, we'll say 8. We have a curve there, Alright, that's 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 feet of just tubing.